Who knows what this may become? We're just checking it out for right now, but who knows?
Oh wow! That's from the Orient. They are wonderful. And then the gray sponges. And they're huge. Check it out.
That's fantastic.
So those fences are perfect for growing stuff like that.
Wow.
This you could grow blueberries, everything to eat.
We have the strawberries, right? And it started vining, and it's little
The
shoots
babies
coming
could
off.
get it out.
All right, we're gonna do this again.
The Rhode Island Reds, they're holding their own, and the Reds are usually the ones that...
So this is it. This is the day. This is the downstairs shower. We don't really use it. Well, we don't use it. And we kind of use it to incubate the babies in. It's nice and warm in there. And so the plan is to get them out of there, into this tote, and then into the coop outside. So, let's go. Alright, so now they're all in here. Yeah, they're in there.
All right.
You're gonna have some roommates.
Yep.
All right. So what's currently in there, the elder chicken in there is a Rhode Island Red. The 3 brown girls we just put in there, those are Ameraucanas, the blue and green egg layers. And then we have 3 doves. I forgot what they're called, but I'll probably write it down in the description. Okay, ladies, it's time for me to get inside, and I'll be out here in the morning to check on you. All right? All right, here we are. The next day, it's about noon, somewhere around that time. The 20th of November. Fall has really set in, and I absolutely love it. We're gonna see what's happening with the baby chicks, all right? Hey, ladies. They're all there. They're all good. You know, sometimes I get fear that, wow, the Ameraucanas look bigger than they did. I guess they're standing more upright. They're a little more confident right now. Yeah. They're good looking. And the thing about it is, they already have their combs coming in. That's how long they were inside the house. You know, the paranoia stopped us from putting them out here because, well, you've seen the other videos. And the older girls are coming to check out the babies. Our dominant species here on the farm is these Rhode Island Reds. And they're good. They're cool. I think my favorite species so far were definitely the buff orpingtons. Which one do you like? Huh? Yeah, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna have 5. We're gonna have 5 Rhode Island Reds, 3 of these beautiful dove type chickens, 4 Araucanas, 3 in there, and there's one running wild out here somewhere. Both of our black star hens are gone. We have 2 barred rock, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get them some food, and yeah, let's root for these guys, shall we? And as always, I'll continue to document and film and show them as they grow and begin to lay and all that great stuff. And I can't wait to get those blue and green eggs from the Araucanas. They look good. And with that, we're out. Peace from the Garden of Feodora. Hey girls.
Over the hills and far from her, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.